Remember I said that we're people of the corn. The people in the European hemisphere used wheat, but our people, we're the corn people. Corn is our staple. And so you take this beautiful corn, look at the hair of it, and you take all of the kernels off. And what we're going to be doing next, and by the way, this is a Spanish thing, olive oil. My mother always cooked with olive oil. And this is an old traditional thing as well, to have iron skillets. This is a very old one. This skillet's about 50 years old. And so what we're going to do now is we're going to fry all the ingredients up until the corn stays crispy and the squash stays crispy. And then we'll come back and put it in a beautiful dish with the cheese. So hold on, good food is coming. So here we are, the calabacitas are cooking with the corn, the onions, the tomatoes, and most important, our jalapenos. As we stir this to become crisp and cooked, we have our cheese ready to put on top, and we're just about ready to have some delicious calabacitas. All right, our delicious calabacitas are ready. We're going to take them and put them in this beautiful dish. And just like we used olive oil from our Spanish tradition, we're going to use cheese from the Anglo tradition. And, well, Latinos do have cheese, but not this kind of cheese. And the calabacitas are going to be put just for a second to make the cheese melt. Bien provecho. That's what Latinos say when they want you to enjoy something. Enjoy this. May it be for your health. This is calabacitas with cheese on top and the three sisters of Indian cuisine, and it is good for your health. It's so healthy, so good for you, and it honors the tradition of our culture. Thank you so much.